Hello everyone, and welcome. This is Lena, and we're gonna clean up this yard today. It's kind of messy out there, but I'm gonna put my best man on it. You can see, going around, there's a lot of stuff to put into the mulch pile. I think we call it green compost. So, we're gonna keep all this stuff, we're gonna take it, put it right down there. Then we're going to chomp it up and stomp it up. There's a lot to get to, so let's get started. Well, by golly, I think we got it all done, at least for today. Look at down there. That big old mulch pile is squashed down. So yeah, sure, you can do a lot with the mulchy stuff. And it's all good for the yard. You gotta keep that stuff, you know. You gotta find a way to keep that stuff. Right there. Might not look so pretty right now, but you gotta keep it. So, signing out for now, and good luck with your green compost or mulch pile. This is Lena signing out.